Namaste. Today I will tell you about spirituality, how to practice it. Spirituality you can practice by becoming more conscious about what exactly you are doing in your daily life. It's easiest way to practice. Just focus on how you are spending your day, how you are eating, what you are eating, how it's grown, how it affect your mind, how you are thinking after eating it, how much you are sleeping, and how you are talking, when you got angry, why you got angry. So when you question these things and if you try to find answer for this, as you grow up, as days goes on, you will learn a lot of things and many things change in your life. That's what happened to me. As I started practicing these small things, focusing on me, like focusing more about my daily life, getting more conscious about what I am eating, what I am doing, when I got angry, why I got angry, when I get triggered to get anger, something like this. These practices, small practices, can change your life. Really, you don't need to go to any classes, spend money, and learn from what they have teach you or something like that. They will make you more complicated. So I recommend you to focus on these small things for at least a month or two. Then you will be amazed. You will know more about yourself, not about others. You will know many things about your body, your mind, yourself, I mean to say. It's very hard to explain, but once you start practicing, you will understand these things. If you are already practicing, please comment below and let me know. And also share your views on spirituality. What is spirituality for you? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get connected with me. Namaste.